Hello, today we'll be continuing on with our car jack assembly. We are building this car jack assembly from scratch, using this PDF right here to build this step by step. So today we will be working on the Jack Rotor, which is right here, number 12. So let's scroll down, I'll show you that one. Number 12, Jack Rotor, one piece right there. We have done these parts already, and I have included videos of each one of these for the build. And this is what we're working on today, P111 Jack Rotor. Please take a screenshot of this, or you can download the PDF. I will include a link in the description of the video. All right, let's get started. So now we're going to go File, New, and we're going to put in P111. We are going to sketch on the front. Click on the front and say OK. Now we will be building this pretty simple part. So let's just do it all in one sketch. So first one, circle, click on the dot. That point is the center of everything. And we want to make this around 20 millimeters. So let's get approximately. Escape. Let's click on this guy. Let's click on that. Let's type in 20. Escape. All right. Now we're going to put a 10 millimeter square on the inside of here. So square, we're going to click on from center. We're going to click on that dead center right there. Pull out. We don't have to make it exact right this second. Escape. Now we can dimension this. Left click. Left click. And we'll change. Click on the green. It then pops up the little dialog. Let's click on 10. And we'll do the same here. Escape. Here, here, click on that, 10, and escape. We are finished there. Finish that. So now it wants to extrude this whole piece. It's already selected. We can hit extrude, and it's 45 millimeters. We will flip it this way, okay, and say okay. And there we are. That is the final product. So let's hide this sketch. Let's hide that coordinate system. Let's go to drafting, file drafting, or Control-Shift-D. It's okay. We're doing A3 paper. Front view. We can scale this up too. And click there, pull over, and there we are. Click close. Now if we want to see the invisible lines through here, we click here, left click, right click, settings, hidden lines, visible, dashed. Okay, and there we are. All right, let's start dimension this. So we're going to go with a 20 millimeter diameter. And then this is, close that. This is square. All right, to make this square, left click. Let's get in, or 2 times left click. Let's go right here. Little A. Empty space, we want to right click. We want to go over here. Symbol. More symbols. New pop-up on my other screen. Let me pull it over here. And we want to go with square. So, do we see square here? Yes, right there. Click close. I thought I added it. Let's try that again. Right click here. More symbols. Square. Insert character. Close. There we are. Close. Close. All right, so there's how you add that square. Now we'll click on this distance here. We'll create this distance. here to here, 45. All right, that concludes our Jack Rotor. Thanks for watching.